Welcome to the heart of modern Dubai, where innovation touches the sky and dreams become reality. Today, we are exploring one of the most iconic landmarks on Earth, the magnificent Burj Khalifa. Standing proudly in the center of Dubai, this architectural wonder is more than just the tallest building in the world. It is a symbol of ambition, luxury, and the incredible vision of the United Arab Emirates. From breathtaking daytime views to dazzling nighttime lights, the Burj Khalifa transforms every moment into something unforgettable. So relax, enjoy the stunning visuals, and let's experience the beauty of the Burj Khalifa both day and night. As the morning sun rises over Dubai, golden light begins to reflect across the glass exterior of the Burj Khalifa. The tower shines brilliantly against the blue sky, creating one of the most spectacular urban views in the world. At an incredible height of over 828 meters, the Burj Khalifa dominates the skyline and can be seen from miles away. Its elegant design was inspired by the Hymenocallis flower, blending art, engineering, and futuristic architecture into one masterpiece. Surrounded by modern skyscrapers, luxury hotels, and wide boulevards, the Burj Khalifa stands like a giant silver needle reaching into the clouds. During the daytime, visitors from around the world gather around downtown Dubai to admire this engineering marvel. Some enjoy peaceful walks around the lake, while others capture photographs of the tower from every angle. The atmosphere around the Burj Khalifa feels energetic, modern, and luxurious. Just beside the tower lies the famous Dubai Mall, one of the largest shopping and entertainment destinations in the world. The area is always full of life, with tourists exploring restaurants, cafes, shopping centers, and attractions. As the camera rises higher, the daytime aerial view becomes even more breathtaking. From above, Dubai looks futuristic and perfectly designed. Long highways stretch across the city, luxury towers shine in the sunlight, and the Arabian Gulf sparkles beautifully in the distance. The observation decks inside the Burj Khalifa offer panoramic views, unlike anywhere else on Earth. Standing high above the city gives visitors an unforgettable feeling, as if they are floating above the clouds. On clear days, you can see the endless desert on one side and the modern coastline of Dubai on the other. The contrast between nature and urban development is truly incredible. As afternoon turns into evening, the city slowly changes its mood. The sunlight softens, temperatures become cooler, and Dubai begins preparing for its magical nightlife. The sunset view from the Burj Khalifa is absolutely stunning. Warm orange and golden colors spread across the skyline as the sun disappears behind the desert horizon. This is one of the most beautiful moments to witness in Dubai. And then night arrives. The Burj Khalifa transforms into a glowing masterpiece of lights and reflections. Millions of lights illuminate the tower, making it shine brilliantly against the dark sky. The entire downtown Dubai area becomes alive with color, energy, and movement. At night, the Burj Khalifa feels even more dramatic and majestic. Its illuminated exterior creates a futuristic atmosphere that attracts photographers, travelers, and dreamers from around the world. Below the tower, crowds gather to watch the world-famous Dubai Fountain Show. Water dances gracefully to music and lights, creating a magical performance right beneath the tallest building in the world. The reflections of the fountain lights on the surrounding water create a breathtaking scene that feels almost cinematic. Drone views at night reveal the true beauty of Dubai. Endless city lights stretch toward the horizon, highways glow with moving traffic, and luxury skyscrapers light up the skyline like stars. At the center of it all, the Burj Khalifa stands proudly elegant, powerful, and unforgettable. Every night, the tower hosts incredible LED light shows that transform the building into a giant digital canvas. Vibrant colors, animations, and celebrations light up the sky, creating a spectacular visual experience for visitors. Whether viewed from the ground, from the air, or from inside the observation deck, the nighttime beauty of the Burj Khalifa leaves a lasting memory. The tower is not just an architectural achievement, it represents human imagination and the desire to achieve the impossible. From sunrise to midnight, the Burj Khalifa continues to inspire millions of people across the world. Its beauty during the day showcases the brilliance of modern engineering, while its glowing night views reveal the vibrant soul of Dubai. Thank you for joining this incredible journey through the day and night views of the magnificent Burj Khalifa. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel experiences from around the world.